Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Udon Dashi, easy method. Start by gathering kombu, katsuobushi, water, and optional dried shiitake mushrooms. Gently soak kombu in cold water for 30 to 60 minutes before heating. Heat slowly and remove kombu just before boiling to avoid bitterness. Add katsuobushi, let it steep briefly, then strain the liquid. Taste and adjust with a splash of soy or salt. In this video, I will show how to make Udon Dashi, easy method. Use high-quality kombu for a deeper savory backbone that supports toppings and noodles. Soaking kombu in cold water for 30 to 60 minutes softens it and draws out minerals and glutamate slowly. Heat the soaking water gently and take kombu out right before the water hits a simmer to keep the broth clean and balanced. In this video, I will show how to make Udon Dashi, easy method. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many think about money, helping you budget for better ingredients or cookware. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Udon Dashi, easy method. After removing kombu, add katsuobushi and let it steep for about 1 to 2 minutes off the heat to pull out smoky notes. Avoid prolonged steeping to keep the broth clear and delicate. Strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth, pressing lightly if you wish, then season gently with soy or salt to taste for a balanced udon base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.